So today is our 6th day of a 30 days of coding challenge in HackerRank, and in this challenge we will use loops to do some maths. We will be learning about loops. We have previously used loops, but this is properly based on loops. So here the task is given as they have given us an integer n, and we have to print its first 10 multiples. That is, we have to print a multiplication table, and each multiple n cross I should be printed on a new line in the form n cross I equals to result. Okay, so they have given us an example where n equals to 3, and it is printing as 3 into 1 equals to 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and up to 3 into 10 equals to 30. So we have to print a multiplication table of given number n from 1 to 10. Okay, it's pretty simple. Let's do it. So here they are taking n as input in the form of string, and then they are calling some functions ltrim and rtrim. This is all extra. We don't have to see all that. The task which is given to us is to print the multiplication table only using loops. So we'll use here for loops. For int I equals to 1, I less or equals to 10, I plus plus. So this loop will go from 1 to n, since we have been told to print the first 10 multiples of the inputted number n. And then we will give cout n, then here star. They have told us to give x. Okay, x and spaces, then I, and then equals to, then n into I. This is always a good practice to give brackets when you are printing directly without initializing into a variable, and printing it directly, so that you can distinguish between the two. And then end L, and here each time the loop will pass. That means I is for the first time I is 1 here, and n into 1. That means let us assume that n is 3. So for the first occurrence, 3 into 1 will be printed 3. Then again I will increment by 1, and 3 I will become 2, and then 3 into 2 equals to 6. So this will carry on and up to 10. Up to till this will carry on up to till I reaches 10. That means the value of I becomes 10. So by this we are done with this program. So let's run this code. So we have passed the sample test cases, and then submit the code. Yeah, so we have passed all the 8 test cases, and by this we have completed our 6th day of coding challenge on loops. So this was all for today. Do access the playlist. Thanks for watching.